Larry Johnson Jr. here with LJJ Line Care. What's going on, fellas? This will be the first POV video of many to come. We in the fall, so we wrapping up with that situation. And I pray that you guys enjoy the footage.
Much gas. This might not work today. Look at all that little bit gas I got.
Well, I'll do what I can, No big deal. No big deal at all. Wasn't expecting to do this.
Love coffee. Man. These gloves are so, got that rubber grip. Makes it difficult. Oh man. Such is life, man. Such is life. Birds are chirping. Don't do this to your customers, just letting you know. It's just that I have a certain amount of skill sets. That's why I'm able to do that. Oh, well, should have brought the lawnmower. Yeah, it can be cut a little bit. I'm bringing this line up to a 4. See if this thing will start with such less gas. Might have to come back over here tomorrow. Ma'am? Nothing. All right. Let's see. That baby started. Listen, it's not one thing, it's another. Why wouldn't this thing span? Probably too tight. There we go. See that? Like I'm finna run out of gas. And there she go. That's it. It was unexpected. I'll be back tomorrow to finish it. Ran out of gas within this piece. So I've been just urgent to try to cut the grass without the shield to see how it feels great. Love it. I might just go ahead and stop and go. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. Just gonna stop and get my equipment. This was unexpected, like I said. I put it in my truck on days like this because it's kind of wet back here. I mean, usually I just throw it back there. But this equipment is built to get wet. It's commercial equipment, so it's not a big deal. Let me blow this off. Good morning.
Go with you.
Huh?
Hang on.
Well, it was interesting. A dog run up. Beautiful dog. I think it was red-nosed pit bull. That needs to be weed either way. The art of blowing wet leaves. Well, at least the tree is done. Looks like it's about done. So won't have to worry about this for a while. Oh, what is that? Anyway. Yeah, I'm wrapping this up, man. And that's that. Yeah. That's a wrap. You know, oh, look at that. He's making a nice chrome cut. Turn. Gotta watch that tail swing. It's kind of wide. Maybe I'm concentrating hard. And he makes it. That's what commercial driving do for you, man. It gives you skill set that nobody else possesses. You know? Now, like I said, I usually don't take this off and all that kind of stuff carried on. It's pretty much wrapping up for the season anyway, so it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. I'll come back tomorrow to do this again. I'm gonna straighten this out. This is how I like to have my stuff nice and organized. Just like that. Well, this goes like this, and this goes like this. That's me though, you know. I'm very organized and meticulous, you know. Let me get out of here. Well, I can tell you right now, I really enjoy cutting grass in the fall, because it ain't nowhere near as hot as it be in the summertime. Hands down, you know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. You know, anything you got to say, just say it. Hey, we got thick skin over here, so it don't matter. All right. God bless you. Have a good one.